G'day, here's a few small pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It looks like some mixed fields. These pieces could be from Koroit. The others I don't know. But anyway, go through them and have a look for you. Nice little pattern there. It's got a thin line of dark green through the middle there. Spider pattern, bright greens. Other little pockets of opal. Could be Yawa or Koroit type material. There's no guarantee on that though, it's a guess. Green matrix. Again, green matrix there. Possibly could do with a bit more grinding, but it is hollow, so keep that in mind. Anyway, a few pieces there for you to play with, and it's not very expensive. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.